National Assembly and the Senate will table their report on the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 once Parliament resumes its sittings in May. Addressing a press conference at Parliament buildings, the committee's co-chair, Muturi Kigano, says that the team has made tremendous progress despite its sittings being stung by the third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our Parliamentary Affairs reporter Elizabeth Mutuku now reports.
Despite the BBI reggae taking a short break following the differences in both divides of the handshake, the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee says the reggae is still on course. The committee is set to resume its sitting next week with the hope of presenting its report within 5 days upon resumption of sittings.
I'm happy to report that we are on course. And because of the interruptions by COVID, we have given this exercise a full 5 days from 19th through 5 days to be able to wrap up the report and give a report that can stand the test of time.
The committee has been advised by experts on constitutional amendment process. The experts includes MPs Otiende Amolo of Rarieda, Anton Kiai of Mokoreni, nominated MP Jennifer Shamala, and Siaya Senator James Orengo, and his nominated counterpart Naomi Wako, with a backup of Professor Patricia Kameri Mbote and Dr. Collins Odoti. The two consultants are also guiding Parliament whether to reopen the referendum bill and effects of changes before a vote.
Because the report that is expected, being the first of its kind, is important to guide future attempts or future amendments based on Article 257. It is important that we guide posterity, Kenyans, and other jurisdictions.
The committee has, however, ruled out a possibility of having a special sitting to table the BBI report, debate and pass it. Speaker Justin Muturi says there is no urgency in calling for any special sitting.
Those people who are dreaming that ODM will walk out of CG what, those are old way of doing things. We are beyond that, that era now. We are past that era, I mean. Hawa ni kama fisi ambaye wanangoja, wanatembea nyuma ya handshake na BBI, wanafikiri mkono itaanguka. Watangoja paka dunia iishe.
The BBI reggae is said to have resumed after two principals, President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga, ironed out issues surrounding the BBI bill, which was at risk of stalling. With assurance from Joint Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, what is waited is to see whether referendum will take place by June this year, as it is anticipated. Elizabeth Mutuku, TV 47 Palm Buildings, Nairobi.